Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is guy. Hey, let me come again. Ah, hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is MC Kajambi. In case it's your first time to come across my channel, please consider subscribing. And also remember to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. So guys, today just want to show you some of the sad I don't know if it's sad. I don't know if it's good news. You guys, you'll tell us. So you'll tell me. Yeah, I want to show you what we have woken up to this morning. So guys, I'm coming right away from Africa, Kenya. And uh, this is my village. Yeah. So guys, I want to show you what I'm even don't know how to express it, guys, or to explain it unless I show it for you to see for yourself. So we are experiencing some heavy rainfalls, guys, in Kenya, and this is one of the effects that it has. The rain has here in Kenya. Oh, as you can see, this is the place that I normally come to create content from here. But now you can see the way the river is. Look how the river is flowing, guys. This is something that I have never seen, guys. This is something that I have never seen in my entire life, guys, or the time that I've been in this village. I've never seen it like this, not to this extreme. Guys, that is the situation of the river here, and it is so messy. It's a dam that has there's a dam that is connected to this river. Yeah, this river is an outlet as well as an inlet to a dam. Yeah, this river passes through another dam and then it comes into, now it has flooded and the dam has broken. What do we say, guys? The dam is filled up. I just had my finger on this. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, it is such quite a terrific. It's a terrific Wednesday. It's a terrific Wednesday here, guys, and I want to show you how the effect, what it is having, the effect it is having on. Have you ever seen a river this massive? Whoa. This is the situation here in Kenya. Guys, look, you see where you see those reeds? That was a garden. That was a shamba. There was a shamba here. Yeah, as you can see, this is a road. Yeah, is a path. Hey. Okay.
Sasa mimi mkaaja hapa Ruiru.
Okay.
Nilikuwa mkaaja hapa Ruiru. Nimeshindwa namna gani sasa? Juu maji imevurika kila pahali. Unaona hata kazi sasa hatuendi. Tunafanyia kazi msaidie nyingine. Lakini sasa hatuwezi enda. Tungejiomba tu tafadhali. Tungejiomba. Pale tumetoa ile barabara ya kuweka daraja. Tuweko daraja kubwa. Daraja hiyo iko juu. Ndio tafadhali tu gari zetu zipite na sisi tupate nafasi ya kupita. Si unaona hapa kuna kila mtu tuko na njaa. Wakaaji wa Ruiru tuko na shida. Hii ni Ruiru River.
Unafikiria ni nini nimeweza kusababisha ikakuwa hivi? So guys, I'm asking what has caused this water to overflow like this.
Okay, tukiangalia tunaona zile mito ziko kule juu kule Githunguri. Huko kwa kama kuna mvua kubwa. Halafu hao walimaji wa kahawa kuna damu wanga wamejenga. Sasa zile damu zikijaa maji wanga nafungulia. Sawa kifungulia hiyo maji ndio inakuja inajaa hii mto.
This is one of the residents here in Ruiru, and he's lamenting the situation that it is now. He's saying that as the people of this place, we are not able to work today. Yeah, like for me, I create my videos from other side. I have a studio that other side, but today I cannot access it. So guys, let's go and see the bridge, how it is. Mpaka magari, unaona hiyo ni magari.
Sasa magari sasa zinashindwa kupita.
Yeah.
There is no way.
There's
There's
no
no
way.
way. There's no bus there over there. Whatever.
Unafikiria ni nini inaweza kuwa solution?
Solution sasa ni hivi. Kuna daraja pale tunajenga. Sasa hilo daraja hata tayari tumepima.
Okay, wapi hapo?
Nitakuonyesha. Nitakuonyesha.
Guys, this is the bridge. This is the bridge. Yeah, this is the situation. Inakaa maji ni kama inapungua. Ilikuwa inafika hapa.
Sasa nimevuka hata side ile. Hata inaona very soon. Hata itapiga.
Hata itapiga.
Ukikuja zile mwana linatolewa pale. Zikitolewa sasa kikonga pale. Hiyo daraja kwenda itaenda. Wao tuko hii ni sisi tumejijengea.
Yeah.
Guys, sisi wenyewe tumejijengea hii. Lakini serikali iko pale juu. Tunaenda hapo nitakuonyesha. Barabara kubwa kuoshia magari. Hapo. Hiyo ndio serikali sasa. Hiyo ni county government. Lakini hii ilikuwa tu sisi kwa wenyewe
ni wananchi. Unaona hata mkaeka hii barrier ndio gari zisipite.
One.
Yeah, guys, this is a man-made, I mean, is a people initiative, not a government initiative. Yeah, and it's just an appeal. Wewe ungependa kuambiaje serikali na serikali hapa?
Serikali tujiombe tu sisi wananchi. Haya, ile ni Juja hapa tuko Ruiru. Although what is called
guys, that is how the situation is. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of people on those other side, they cannot come. Yeah, you can see that is the bridge. That barrier has been put by the residents of this other side to prevent heavy commercial vehicles from using the bridge, to avoid destructing it all, just for its durability. But now the situation is getting messy because, as you can see, the water is so massive. Yeah, you can see it is very massive, guys. It's massive, and it is destroying even the barriers, yeah, to the bridge. So that means even the bridge need to be redone again. Yeah, and what that, guys? As you can see, for Jamaican people, my Jamaican people, that is a Wolipa lobster. That is a lobster. Yeah. Guys, hey, just see a lobster. This is food for Jamaica. I think I will eat this one also. Jamaican guys. I've seen another one, yeah. Hey, let me show you my Jamaican people what I'm telling you. A Wolipa lobster here.
Wabaya wako hapa.
Hii ni chakula. Hii. Yes, a lobster. This is food. Usiwe.
No mere tuhuteka muno. Tuhutete muno ni roero. Mungu saidia. Kama ni serikali.
Yeah, the guy is saying that we are hungry, and that is true, guys. Literally, we are hungry because we cannot be. There are people who do business there, yeah, but we cannot access, and it is so costly to use another route. Yeah. Chakula ya watu wa Jamaica. Inaonyanga kama samaki. Unakulaga nini? Yote. This is the lobster. Inatoka wapi? Na mbeleni mbona mbeleni hasikujagi ama imagine
inatoa huko kwa zile madams zenye nakwambia zinavunja
ndio ingine
sana tena hiyo dogo huyu ni mtoto wake kuja mtoto
ama mniachie ziege hapa nitaenda kusikula. Guys, can I try some seafoods? Ama hizi zetu ni dangerous. Hizi zinaweza kuwa poisonous. Leo naona kaka utawatiwa manyama mayo huko. Wewe deep fry.
Kama tako. Ni tamu.
Jamaican people, how do we eat this?
Kwani inaenda na nyuma? Inaenda mbele. Inajisikilia hivi, yezi toka hapo. Ndio umeona? Unaona milipenda nayo. Unaona ingine huko. Hapa kuna mambo mingi sana.
Hey, today guys, see things that we have never seen.
Sana apelekea utinamu. Right. Huyu anafanana na ule. Usiwe. Usiwe Na unajua inasikia maji ndio unaona ikirudi.
Oh. Yeah, actually guys. Lobster, Wolipa. That's a Wolipa lobster here. Tariu muthi kuri andu marutaga wira guku no matingihota guthi murimo uria riu ni government ingituteithia atia kana thirikari na matige gutiugaga ng'ano
ati tigai gutinda makiuga ati ng'ano hindi ria rigwathuka niguo turatengera kuga thirikari tuteithie maundu ta mama magi gukorwo
riu na thaa ici kuma riria undu uyu wambire kuhanika gutiri mundu uri uracera hau na ngacibu ndiuge kana
ona cibu tutimuonete
ona nginya gutiri muthigari ukite akauga na andu makimenyerere
aca gutiri riu tiga andu o enyewe makirora makona
ya mashinani na mutonya. So guys, we are approaching a waterfall here. I think I was here on the other video that I have uploaded. There is a video I've done from here, but I want you to see the extent of this, how it has been now. You can see, guys, as you can see from here. Just see, guys, this is hey, this is massive. 15 meters. Yes, even the water here is it's so white because of the pressure. Yeah. Guys, can you remember a video I did from here? Just see the massiveness of this river now. You see, it has wiped. There's a day, there was a land, there's a mother, when I was doing a video, she was farming here, but now her farm has been wiped. As you can see, you see those banana leaves. Those banana leaves that you see, there was land up to that point. Even here you see the tree. See. That's a waterfall here. Imagine, guys. See? Hey, you can see even the bushes. See how the water. Yeah. Wow. Hey. It has never been like this, guys. There is no space left, guys. You can see the trees. And all this is because the dams. There are several dams in one of the places where they farm coffee, tea, when it gets flooded. So guys, that is where we are, where you see the people. Where you see the people that are right over there, that's where the bridge is. Can you see the people? Where you see those people? That's where the bridge is. That's where we are filming from. But now we had to take a route here because there is usually some paths along the river, but now you cannot. They are all filled up. You can see. The other time it was flooded, it was not like this, but there's a guy who had been swept, yeah, from the bridge, and he was rescued using a helicopter. He was swept. He sheltered on those trees, but that time it was not this massive, yeah. Yeah, see people are. It is a shocking situation. It is a shocking situation. There is usually even a water project here. You can see the pipe that connects to that, and now it's distracted. My friend, Ushawaiona kitu kama hii?
Kusema kweli, hata yenye ilikuwa imenyesha, ilinyesha, jamaa alitolewa na maji kutoka pale tumetanga Ngoma tu.
Even when it rained, it had not been like this. That time it rained and there was a man who was trapped in the waters and he had to be saved by helicopters from the government.
Lakini hatujaiona tena maji kwa imejaa hivi.
Continue that man was rescued and he would have fallen in this waterfall.
The biggest.
Iko na 18 foot.
Ili kubwa kuliko yenye huko kwa Thika Road.
Yeah, imetoka Thika Road.
Ndio nasema huyu waterfall kubwa kuliko yenye huko kwa
it's the biggest. Na kuna there is three waterfalls. Kuna ile iko pale Ruiru na kuna hii na kuna nyingine kwa huko Kitengela. But this is the biggest.
This is the biggest.
Inakuwa na 18 feet.
Or 18 feet downwards.
Sasa angalia ni kama imekuwa flat.
Chako flat. Massive. Paka pale kunaona kichaka imesha nini?
Paka pale kuna kichaka na maji pia na.
Sasa hivi unafikiria kulingana kama hii ingekuwa ni mto ikiwa hivi, hii ndio ingekuwa the largest river in Kenya ama? Nasema kama ingekuwa mto inakuanga hivi normally, ingekuwa ndio kubwa. Kenya kuna mto kubwa kuliko hii.
Ingekuwa hata kubwa kuliko Athi River. Hii ndio ingekuwa the biggest in Kenya. Ikiwa tu ita maintain itakuwa the biggest river.
Yeah guys, you can hear if this continues like this will be the largest river in Kenya. Yeah, I think Kenya inakaribia hivi ni ile Tharaka.
River Tagana. River Tagana. River Athi River. Lakini haijaonekana hivi.
Yeah. Right now guys, this is the largest river in Kenya. Right now as it is, right now. Yeah. But we hope maybe the water levels will go down, because if it continues like this, it means there's no business between the people from that region and us from here. So guys, that is it. That is where I want to wrap this video. Guys, pray for us, pray for Kenya, pray for the world, and where possible guys, let us conserve the environment. Oh guys, look what is happening. Hey. Guys, have you seen something like this? Hey. This is terrific. This is terrific, guys. This is something that we have never seen. And nobody dressed to be here. Hey, it will be a nightmare if you dream yourself here on these waters. So tambia watu nini
hiyo daraja ikifunguka kila pale itakuwa sawa. Tu haya, angalia maji yanatwanywa. Lakini sasa hizi zimechafuka, zimetoa hata mpaka zile sewage zote zimemwagika pale kwa mto. Maji ya kunywa pia ni shida. Sasa labda yenye mtu alikuwa amejiwekea zikiisha basi.
So guys, the situation is sad even on the roads, and this is the Thika Superhighway. Yeah, this is an exit from the Thika Superhighway. You can look, and this is our homes. The situation is also like this in the homes. Such a sad situation here in Africa, Kenya. Guys, pray for us. It's not a good situation. It's not a good situation, guys. It's nothing to smile about. We need God. When you look at the rivers, do you see anything to smile about? Look at the flooding in Kenya and Dubai. Do you see anything to smile about? Oh God of mercy, oh God of grace, how wonderful is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how wonderful. Oh God, we beseech you, have mercy upon Kenya and deliver us from these evil days. God, heal our economy, heal our land, heal our climate. Look upon the hungry child.
Guys, we're gonna
Do you
continue
see
supporting my channel.
anything to
Subscribe
smile
to my
about?
YouTube channel.
There's nothing to
And
smile
make
about.
sure you have hit the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload any video. Guys, adios.
Angalia hizi shamba. Angalia hizi shamba.